ലോകജാലകത്തിലൂടെ നമ്മുടെ ജീവിത പങ്കാളിയെ കണ്ടെത്താൻ
വേൾഡ് മാട്രിമോണി
4.6 Developing your personal mission and vision. Learning objectives. 1. Determine what mission and vision mean for you. 2. Develop some guidelines for developing your mission and vision. Mission and vision are concepts that can be applied to you personally with beyond their broader relevance to the POLC framework. Personal mission and vision communicate the direction in which you are headed, as well as providing some explanation for why you are choosing one direction or set of objectives over others. Thinking about and writing down mission and vision statement for your life can help provide you with a compass as you work toward your own goals and objectives. Your mission and vision note that the development of a personal mission and vision and then strategy for achieving them are exactly the opposite of what most people follow. Most people do not plan further ahead than their next job or activity, if they plan their career at all. They take a job because it looks like attractive and then they see what they can do with it. We advocate looking as far into the future as you can and deciding where you want to end up and what step will lead you there. In that way, your life and your career fit into some intelligent plan, and you are in control of your own life. Guidelines. The first step in planning a career is obviously a long-term goal. Where do you want to end up, ultimately? Do you really want to be a CEO or President of the United States? Now that you know what is cost to be either one, there are a couple basic parts to this process. BHAG. First, set out a bold vision. Jim Collins, author of The Good to Great, described this as a BHAG, a big, hairy, audacious goal. 5 guiding criteria for good BHAGs is that they 1. Are set with understanding, not parable. 2. Fit squarely in the 3 circles of A. What you are deeply passionate about, including your core values and purpose. B. What drives your economic logic. And C. What differentiates you want, what you can be the best in the world. 3. Have a long time frame, 10 to 30 years. 4. Are clear, compelling, and easy to grasp. 5. Directly reflect your core values and core purpose. Value second. Sketch out your personal values or guiding philosophy, a set of core values and principles like your own declaration of independence. Schedule. When the vision is set, you have to develop some long-term goals or goals, then intermediate terms goals, and soon. If you want to be a president, what jobs will you have to take first to get there, and when do you have to get this job? Where should you live? What training do you need? What political connection do you need? Then you have to set up an orderly plan for obtaining the connections and training that you need and getting into these stepping stone jobs. Finally, you need to establish short-term goals to fit clearly into a coherent plan for your entire career. Your next job. If you are now a fairly young person, you should be picked not only for its salary or for its opportunity for advancement, but for its chances to provide you with the training and connection you need to reach your long-term goals. The job that is superficially attractive to you because it has a high salary, offer the opportunity for immediately advancement, or is located in a desirable place may be a mistake from the standpoint of your long-term career. 5 steps. Forming business school professor, entrepreneur, founder of Randall S. Hansen, PhD, has done a masterful job of assembling resources that aim to help your career, including an excellent 5-step plan for creating personal mission statement. With his generous permissions, he has allowed us to reproduce his 5-step plan adapted by us to encompass both mission and vision. In this section, The 5-step plan, a large percentage of companies, including most of the Fortune 500, have corporate mission and vision statement. Mission and vision statement are designed to provide direction and trust to an organization's an enduring statement of purpose. A mission and vision statement act as an invisible hand that guides the people in the organizations. A mission and vision statement explain the organization's reason for being and answer the question, what business are we in? A personal mission and vision statement is a bit different from a company mission statement, but the fundamental principles are the same. Writing a personal mission and vision statement offers the opportunity to establish what's important and perhaps make a decision to stick to it before we even start a career, or it enables us to chart a new course when we're at a career crossroads. Stephen Covey in First Things First refers to developing a mission and vision statement as connecting with your own unique purpose and the profound satisfaction that comes from fulfilling. A personal missions and vision statement help job seekers identify their core values and beliefs. Michael Goodman in The Potato Chips Difference, How to Apply Leading-Edge Marketing Strategies to Landing the Job You Want, statement that the personal mission statement is an articulation of what you're all about and what success looks like to you. A personal mission and vision statement also allows job seekers to identify companies that have similar values and beliefs and help them better assess the costs and benefits of any new career opportunity. The biggest problem most job seekers face is not in wanting to have a personal mission and vision statement, but actually writing it so to help you get started on your personal mission and vision statement. Here is a 5-step mission and vision building process. Take as much time on each step as you need and remember to dig deeply to develop a mission and vision statement that is both authentic and honest. To help you better see the process, Professor Hansen included an example of one friend's process in developing her mission and vision statement. Identifying contribution of the world in general, develop products and services that help people achieve what they want in life, to have a lasting effects on the way people live their lives. On my family, to be a leader in terms of personal outlook, compassion for others, and maintaining an ethical code, to be a good mother and a loving wife, to leave the world a better place for my children and their children's. Employer or future employers, to lead by example and demonstrate how innovative and problem solving product can be both successful in terms of solving a problem and successful in terms of profitability and revenue generation for the organizations. Oh, my friends, to all have a hand held out for my friends, for them to know they can always come to me with any problem. Oh, my community, to use my talents in such a way as to give back to my community. 4. Identify goals short term to continue my career with a progressive employer that allows me to use my skills, talent, and values to achieve success for the firm. Long term, to develop other outlets for my talents and develop a longer term plan for diversifying my life and achieving both professional and personal success. 5. Mission statement. To live life completely, honestly, and compassionately with a healthy dose of realism mixed with the imagination and dreams that all things are possible if one sets their mind to find an answer. Vision statement. To be a CEO of a firm that I start that provides educational exercise experience to K-6 schools. My company will improve children's health and fitness and create a lasting positive impact on their lives and that of their children. Step 1. Identify past successes. Spend some time identifying 4 or 5 examples where you have had personal success in recent years. These successes could be at work, in your community, or at home. Write them down. Try to identify whether there is a common theme or themes to these examples. Write them down. Step 2. Identifying core values. Develop a list of attributes that you believe identify who you are and what your priorities are. The list can be as long as you need. Once your list is complete, see whether you can narrow your values to 5 or 6 most important values. Finally, see whether you can choose the one value that is most important to you. With added, generating ideas for your mission and vision to help jog your memory and brainstorm about what you do well and really like to do. Step 3. Identify contribution. Make a list of the way you could make a difference in an ideal situation. How could you contribute best to the world in general, your family, your employer or future employers, your friends, your community? Child's school with fundraiser that was wildly successful. Increased turnout for the opening of new local theater company. Team's successes all relate to creative problem solving and executing of solutions. 2. Core values. Hardworking, industrious, creativity, problem solving, decision maker, friendly, outgoing, positive, family oriented, honest, intelligent, compassionate, spiritual, analytical, passionate, contemplative. Most important values: problem solving, creativity, analytical, compassionate, decision maker, positive. Most important value: creativity.